Kate Moss from the Brooks Academy. Under 13 boys champion Thomas Golden from the Great Mason School. Under 14 girls champion Glenn Neal from the Darton Country School. Under 14 boys champion Fiona Silva from Gillian Kane. Under 15 boys champion Colin Higgins from the Conway Bradley Darton School. Under 16 girls champion Leah O'Hare from the Scanlon School. Under 13 girls champion Molly McRory from Turley Derby Academy. Under 15 girls champion Keith Evelyn from Conway Bradley Darton School. And there we have our Saturday Great champions. Give it a round of applause. Thank you, Leah. Well done to all our champions today. Thank you very much for staying so late.